This tutorial will show you how to set up the eGlass and your laptop for recording. Currently, the DLC has one eGlass set up in the green room upstairs. However, this may change in the future. Regardless of where it is, the setup procedure remains the same. First off, if recording in the green room, make sure that the anti-reflection hood is covering the back of the eGlass. This prevents reflections appearing during recording. Next, plug in the eGlass to an outlet. Ensure that the cord is plugged both into the wall outlet and into the left side of the eGlass. Once you are done, position your laptop behind the eGlass. Keep it under the anti-reflection hood, just off to the right or left side. Adjust the screen so that you can easily see it through the eGlass. Next, plug in the eGlass into your laptop. There is a USB cable on the front control panel of the eGlass that needs to be plugged into your laptop. After that, position your keyboard and mouse just in front of the eGlass and plug them into your laptop. If your laptop requires more USB outlets, use the provided USB hub. And that's it! You have successfully set up the eGlass hardware. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to configure the camera settings to ensure your recordings are clean and crisp.